Hello everyone, today I'm doing tutorial how to do thumbnails for your videos and stuff like that. Program that we're gonna need is something like GIMP or Photoshop or stuff like that. I have GIMP, so I'm gonna show you how to do it in GIMP. This is Polish language, but I'm gonna explain everything in English so you're gonna understand. Okay, another thing that we can use for making thumbnails for stuff like Minecraft is Minimator. Let's start. Name our project thumbnail test. Author, you can type our name and something description, blah blah blah. Okay, now click create, and here we can add our character, and we may click okay. Maybe I'm gonna okay, I have Minecraft account, but somehow it's not detecting, so I will get it from my files. You can see actually it right now, but I can see it, so okay, I browsed my skin and it's right there. Actually, I'm making now thumbnail at the same time for my video that was uploaded yesterday, but you see this video that I'm recording right now after it. Yes. Okay, so basically you can do some stuff like you can select head, do something with head, set position, rotate our whole character. Okay, nothing really much to explain, so I'm just gonna do probably cut it and or just speed it up, and I'll see you in a few minutes. I will cut it. So, alright, I will speed it up. Okay guys, I made this thing. Yes, it looks strange, but it has to look strange. So now click this button, export current frame to an image file. Yes, you can make something like this. I will make it this. Okay, and now we just click save, and now we choose just where we want to save it. Save, image saved, so we can view it. Now you probably can see it. Also, it has watermark, but I don't really care about it. I'm gonna just do it in thumbnail that it will be cut. So now let's move on to GIMP. Okay, now we are in GIMP, so quality is kinda bad, but wait, let me see something. Oh wait, no. Okay, never mind. Now we just click there to open file. So it's in Polish, but just I'm Polish, so yeah. And now you choose the file. Now you can see how I'm doing it, because I didn't select it on recording, so I'm gonna just choose the file. Yes, and now okay guys, look what I actually made. Yes, I made this. Okay, now we can make something like this. Choose some things. And something like this. Oh, you just hold shift, go to there and double click, and you have something like this. And you can also open as new layer. Click this. I'm gonna choose something funny that I use in my thumbnails pretty often. So I'm gonna get this guy. And yes, also there can scale layer. You can make it like this. Yes, and now he's looking on this guy. Oh, perfect. You can get images like that and and stuff like that from Google, so yeah, feel free to go everywhere and check everything. So now I'm also gonna go to Google, and I'm gonna search Minecraft icon. Now we'll just copy this image, paste it there. Okay, I made a little mistake. So before you paste this second image in, just click this, and now everything will be selected. Now we can paste this. Now we can scale it. I will scale it to something like this. Now we can do this, move it wherever you want. Oh wait, I'm gonna scale it a bit like this. And now we have and now we just have your thumbnail. That's pretty much all. Can make something like and really less visible. I mean, really not much. Oh, my English is so perfect. Okay, and I can make something like this, like some shiny effects. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we can click export, export as something like this, and yeah, I will name it the same as okay. And let's click export the final effect.